Hello students, I hope you have gone through the Bootstrap as it was mentioned in the last lecture. You have read about it online and you are aware of all the concepts that we have discussed in the CSS section. Today, I'll show you how to apply Bootstrap in your HTML file. So, this is the home page. I've designed it using Bootstrap. Earlier, it was just a simple plain list, but we wanted to make our home page look special. So this is what I have done. Going back to the code, as you can see, I've created a div. I've made it the parent of all the Bootstrap boxes, and I've added a class to it called as section boxes. Again, after this, I have used these div tags. So I'll just arrange it over here so you guys can clearly see. Yeah. So as you can see, this first Bootstrap box, it uses col sm5 tab. That is, it's going to use the first 5 columns. You will understand this if you have read about the Bootstrap section properly. So if you haven't, please read about it online before and then come back to this lecture. Going ahead to the second div, I've added classes called colsm5 and colsmoffset2 to this div, as you can see over here. Plus all the boxes contain one more class called section div, which is being used to apply CSS to these. Now what colsmoffset2 does, it adds 2 columns before starting this box, which is placed in 5 columns again. So the first box comes in 5 columns, then we leave 2 columns, and then we add this HTML box in the next 5 columns. So the 12 columns in this row is completed. After that, we have added CSS effect in this section div box. I'll go ahead and show it to you in the style sheet. As you can see, we have added these many CSS effects. We have also added a hover effect on this box. So when you hover on it, the background color of this box is changing to green. I hope you understand this concept, guys. So this is a 5 col SM. It uses first 5 columns. Then we have an offset of 2 columns before this box. Then this box uses 5 columns. Again 5 columns for this box, 2 offset, 5 columns. And the bonus box contains 12 columns. So Bootstrap is very useful if we want to arrange our boxes in these manners, and you will use it a lot when you are designing your HTML pages. So I'll recommend you guys, if you don't understand any bit of the things discussed in this class, please go back and read the Bootstrap grid system once again and then come back and revisit this lecture. So I'll be adding this file and entire file project, the entire project in fact, in the resource section of this lecture so that you can refer it and see what you are missing and go back and learn them again. So hope to see you in the next lecture. We'll start discussing about JavaScript now, and we'll add some great interactions to the web pages that we have created so far.